folks, welcome back to Southpaw RC. Thank you very much for joining us. Today, as you can see, we are in the middle of a huge field, completely empty because it's a football training ground and football training is banned. So on my morning walk, I have popped here to take a look at this. This is the Mavic Mini with the skin. So there she is. This is a skin from CM Vinyl. I'll show you the logo in a second. And this is Marc RC Addict. Some of you may be aware of. He's now starting to produce skins, and this is the first one. I've picked these up from him to test them out really for him, and also because the grey is hideous on the Mavic Mini, so I wanted to change that rather rapidly. So here we go, bright yellow Southpaw design. So there we go, we've got the Southpaw logo on the top. There's a little gap for the DJI logo, so you can still see the DJI. I've actually got carbon fibre glass on the back of it, just because I prefer the black on the back. And the arms are done yellow, everything else is yellow. It looks quite neat folded up, and I haven't flown this yet, so we're gonna fly this today and see what it looks like. But at the moment, she's looking quite cool. So there's the controller. Hopefully you can see that. This is on the Femi Palm, recording on the Femi Palm in narrow field, so you should be able to see rather good detail. And you can see Marc's logo there glittering in the sun. It looks really nice. Sticks on. So we come in, we're on super wide mode, so we can actually record in 4K. She looks nice. Right guys, thanks for joining us. I'll see you next time on Southpaw RC.